Hi guys, welcome to Blackpool. The Jolly Roger there. Plenty of people in because they got a bit of sun on the bar. No, we're not really in Blackpool. We're in Benidorm. On our long holidays. Just having a walk along the front. Show you some of the places down here. There's a lot more stopped open this year than normal. It's heartbreak. I don't know if you can see that, guys. What, lad? You can see some of the bars are shut, but not many. I think some are doing just general holidays this year. A couple of weeks off. And some are shut till March. To start the season again. Cracking weather for winter there. Should imagine it's just over 20 degrees today. T-shirt weather in January. From the beach. Plenty of places, food and drink. Max on in there for an evening. Good spot. Starting to come into the old town now. Tiki Town. And they do pizzas on the side, Marcus?
Yeah.
Yeah, pizzas on the side. That'll be on the side there. So yeah, we haven't tried them, but got to be good. Can't just do much wrong with the pizza, can you? And Burger King next door. Wonder if they can start doing pizzas. Really sunny today. Love it. So why I moved here, guys. Got a screen parlour there. And the city bar just over there. Plenty of bars along the front. Just up there's a lovely little cafe, Leroy's. Everything cooked fresh in there. Absolutely brilliant. Just knowing about where that one is. But yeah, give it a try, guys, if you're over.
Best milkshakes in Benidorm.
They are best milkshakes in Benidorm. There we go. Have you tried them all, Marcus?
Yeah. All flavours.
There's been about, there's got to be 1,000 bars that do milkshakes in Benidorm. There's a lot of milkshake. Beachside today, it's pretty busy. Not so much up this end. You can see going down the coast there. Normally this time of year we're battling winds and you're moaning about the wind on the videos. Not that really today.
I'm gonna take me up there.
Okay guys, I think we're going to end the video there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We have got Buy Me a Coffee if you want to help support the channel. The link will be underneath the video. And Benny Beats. My son Marcus's album. 10 tracks on there for €2. Cheap as anything. Cheap as chips. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.